ChatGPT. Did you know what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is exactly like that. ChatGPT, or Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, that is the real name of ChatGPT, is a type of artificial intelligence. It is designed to speak with humans just like a real human would. It will try its best to give you a helpful answer to any question you ask. GPT is unique because of its transformer architecture, which you can think as a group of editors working together to create a sentence, to decide which words should come after a sentence. Each editor or attention head, to use the technical jargon, reads different parts of that sentence. These editors quickly scan your words. When you ask ChatGPT a question or enter a prompt, compare them with all the data the model has been trained on, and then vote on the next most likely word, and so on until a complete, fluid response is produced. GPT can answer questions about science, history, mathematics, literature, and more because it has been trained on such a wide range of topics and writing styles. It can even occasionally mimic different writing tones or artistic styles. However, GPT does not fully understand concepts as humans do. Rather, it excels at identifying linguistic patterns and applying them to produce text that reads as conversationally and educational, as if it were speaking with an informed friend. ChatGPT has a multitude of useful features. It answers math, science, or history homework problems. It can give summaries of information or assist in learning a new topic. ChatGPT can assist in brainstorming ideas or suggest a course of action. If one is studying a new language, it can help in translating sentences and phrases from one language to another. Some even employ ChatGPT to improve their grammar or construct better sentences. It is important to remember that ChatGPT is not perfect. Even with its immense knowledge, it does not really get things in the way humans do. Sometimes it gives wrong, outdated, or vague answers. For example, it might get it wrong or even just guess the answer if you ask a very technical or convoluted question. Because of this, it is always best to double check important facts with books, reputable websites, or consultation with adults or teachers. While ChatGPT is a wonderful tool, you should not use it as your only source of information. In the end, ChatGPT is a powerful and exciting example of how technology can support learning and growth. It can be an enjoyable and beneficial addition to your learning process, provided you use it sensibly and are aware of its limitations. Being able to use technology like ChatGPT effectively is a valuable skill to have in the future, as it is revolutionizing the way you learn.